In this video, we will delve into the numerous benefits of one of the most versatile and delicious vegetables on the planet, the zucchini, also known as courgette. Often overlooked in our diets, zucchini is a hidden treasure trove of health advantages. Join us as we explore its multifaceted benefits and discover why it deserves a prominent place in our daily meals. Zucchini is the perfect ally for balanced diets, as it is incredibly low in calories. Comprised mainly of water, this vegetable aids in maintaining a healthy body weight. Moreover, zucchini is packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium, and dietary fiber. These elements strengthen our immune system, regulate blood pressure, and promote digestive health. Zucchini is also beneficial for our hearts. Its potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The antioxidants found in this vegetable protect blood vessels and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, decreasing the chances of atherosclerosis. The abundant fiber in zucchini is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It aids in preventing constipation, maintaining a balanced gut flora, and reducing bloating. Additionally, zucchini contains an enzyme called lipase, which helps break down fats and facilitates their absorption. With its high vitamin C and beta-carotene content, zucchini promotes healthy and radiant skin. These antioxidants combat free radicals responsible for premature aging. Furthermore, zucchini supports eye health by protecting the eyes from UV damage and reducing the risk of macular degeneration. Zucchini is a smart choice for those looking to shed pounds or maintain a healthy weight. Thanks to its low calorie and carbohydrate content, it can be consumed in significant quantities without compromising weight loss goals. Additionally, its fiber-rich nature promotes satiety, reducing cravings and snacking. Zucchini is renowned for its diuretic properties, meaning it promotes the elimination of toxins from the body. By encouraging urination, it aids in cleansing the urinary system and kidneys, contributing to better kidney health. Due to its low carbohydrate content and low glycemic index, zucchini is an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels and prevents blood sugar spikes, essential for maintaining good metabolic health. In conclusion, zucchini is far more than just a side vegetable. It is an invaluable source of health benefits, providing a variety of essential nutrients and protective properties. So, the next time you come across this green veggie, remember all the advantages it can bring to your body and well-being. Incorporate zucchini into your meals and savor not only its delicious taste, but also the benefits it offers to your health. Take care of yourself by choosing nutritious and wholesome foods, and zucchini will help you achieve long-term wellness goals. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, stay healthy and enjoy the goodness of zucchini.